Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to, or show you how to fix this Mimir keychain that was released with the collector's edition of God of War 4. So if I press the button, see, batteries are worn out, and this little keychain is worth over 60 bucks on eBay. So if you want to fix it to sell, I'm going to show you right now. So this right here, it's like super glued on, and it's very hard to remove, and I don't recommend using a knife because you'll cause damage to Mimir's skin because it's like like a semi-soft PVC. So what I do recommend is you get a blow dryer and just heat it up for like a good minute, and then you can easily just pull it off. And this is the inside, and then this is what we have inside: a little speaker, battery, a little processor. Again, if I press the button, nothing. So let's remove the battery. So the battery this uses is the LR41, but as a replacement, I bought this, the AG3 392. So I went to the 99-cent store. It was being cheap, but it seems to work on it. So you install the battery, place it back. Now let's see.
They call me Mimir, smartest man alive, and I have the answer to your every question.
There we go. And you place it back, and then put it back on.
They call me Mimir, smartest man alive, and I have the answer to your every question.
Now just add crazy glue a little bit, just all around, place it all back, and boom, sealed. And then that's it, guys. And then you fix your Mimir. He's one of the coolest characters in God of War, so I can see why people love this Mimir keychain. Anyways, that's it. Hope you learned something, guys. Like and subscribe, as you can see. So if I press the button, nothing.